I think that today is a good day to put together a bicycle. This bicycle. I've had the paint curing on this thing, hardening up for about a week, and I'm ready to move on with life and ride this bicycle. Alright, so my first step is actually to assemble this wheel to put this new axle on here. Oh, look at that, my pretty bicycle. Alright, I want to put some grease on this guy, put this thing together. A little makeshift bearing, so to speak.
Thank you very much for watching this video. For those of you that have been following the whole build series, and especially those that had made some recommendations on how I can improve the design of this bicycle, I really appreciate you, because I did have quite a few troubles along the way crafting this bike. Being my first bicycle build, there was a lot of issues here, especially with the elongated frame and making that stiff enough. I'm going to have another video for that coming up on how all of those details of how I ended up in this final design, and also how much this bicycle weighs and stuff like that. So, and for those of you that just stumbled upon this video, there's a whole series of videos, about 10 other videos that culminate into this video. So if you're interested in some of the details of how I got here, some of the mistakes I made, please watch those videos. We'll see you next time. Keep on wrenching.